Hello, hello! Look at this. I've got this book, The Lion and the Bird, because today we are celebrating the World Read Aloud Day. So, of course, the Beacon Experience is here to read this amazing story about a very strange friendship. Have you ever heard of a friendship between a lion and a bird? Well, here it is by Marianne Dubuk and translated by Sarah and Ardizzone. So, are you ready for the story? It's a picture book and the pictures carry a lot of information. When I read these stories to children, I let them talk about the pictures a lot. As I am alone today with you on the other side, I might say some things about the pictures. So here it goes. The lion and the bird. Now look, here is the lion. And it looks like a gardener, right? And generally lions are in the forest. Well, or in the jungle. Not this one. Lion was doing a spot of gardening. He was a gardener when he heard a noise. What is it? Oh, look. Look. Oh, poor little thing. He couldn't leave it like that. Where does it come from? Of course. Look. Lots of birds flying, probably the bird's family. Oh. The bandage will help. Oh, they've gone. Oh. No problem. You'll be snug in here. Oh, yes, of course. Look at the lion's mane. It's soft and warm. Perfect place for a little bird, don't you think? And they go to the lion's home. Oh, home sweet home. Why don't you stay? There's plenty of room for both of us. And what do you think? Will the little bird stay? Yes, of course. Now look, they have dinner together. They read by the fire. They wash the teeth. Look at the little bird's toothbrush. And they go to bed. And look at where the little bird sleeps. Yes, inside the lion's sleepers. Isn't it sweet? And night came, and it's a starry night. And winter comes. Look, snow. Look. It's very warm in there. It's icy, but you're snug in there, right? Yes, says the bird. And so they go sledging, they go fishing, they read by the fire again, and so winter goes by. And it's cold, but not inside. Oh, and it's snowy. But they are together, so it's fine. Look, so much snow. Can you see the snow? Oh, you can't see the house or the trees. You can only see the snow. But one day, a little flower springs, and the warm weather comes back, and so they do. Look. Oh, Yes, I know, says the lion. Hey ho, hey ho. Oh, there's a scarecrow. How sweet. And the plants grow. Look, it's tomatoes. Now the lion has tomatoes for a nice salad. And the lion reads and fishes. And look, one day summer is over and autumn is coming. The leaves are falling. And the lion thinks, and you? What's that? What's that? What? Yes! Look! Yes! We won't feel cold this winter. Of course not. The bird has a warm place in the lion's mane. It's warm and soft. And and night comes in and it's a starry night. Because they're going to be warm together. And this is the end of a lovely story of a lion and a bird. I hope you enjoyed it. Please read stories to children.